In this lecture, we will learn how to use line command. Before making any sketches, make sure dynamic input is on. For that, go to customization and active dynamic input. Select line, select first point. Now, you can see this dialog box. It will only appear when dynamic input is active. Select second point and complete the sketch. Now, right click and select enter to exit from the line command. Again, select line command and draw some random sketch. We can also exit from line command by pressing escape key from keyboard. To delete these sketch, left click and drag the mouse to select these sketches. Now, right click and erase to delete this sketch. Select line command. Now, we want to make a horizontal or vertical line. For that, make sure ortho is on. It will restrict the cursor movement only in vertical or horizontal direction. Give length of 700 mm, 700 mm and 700 mm. To close this sketch, select close. Now, you can see that the sketch has been closed. Again, go to line command. Make sure ortho is on if you want to draw in horizontal or vertical direction. Give length of 1000 mm, 500 mm, 1000 mm. Now, to undo this line, click on undo to go back to the previous point. Again, click on undo and complete the sketch. Click on close to close this sketch. If you want to delete whole sketch, just press Ctrl A to select whole sketch, right click and select erase. We can also delete by pressing delete key from keyboard.